Hello everyone, my name's Tom. I just wanted to show you how to add extra two screens to existing Dell Precision 3560 laptop using alternative cheaper docking station than Dell is recommending. Dell is recommending the docking station which is costing about 200 or 300 pounds. That one is costing no more than 60 pounds. Yeah, so it's that one. I will provide you all the links below at this movie, so you will enjoy that. Okay, so let's try to see how I connected that. First one, on the laptop, yeah, we have two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 connections. I just added one power supply from already provided original by laptop, 130 watts adapter. This one, I connected that one. It is a little bit messy, however, just wanted to show you how to connect that. That one is one power supply. Another one, which is coming from this docking station, which is this one. Okay, I can rotate that to show you the connections. You have some 3 USB ports, 4 USBs. One is to 3 zeros, additional parts. But on the back of this docking station, there are HDMI ports which I use to connect this to additional screens, as you can see that. I know, again, the cables should be tightened, but this is just to show you the movies. You have one screen on the back, one cable for power supply, another one is HDMI, and it's exactly the same on the other screen. You see HDMI, which is coming from this docking station. I know the cable of that is not really long enough, but cannot be too long probably, but it's acceptable, it's okay for me. Right, okay, so let's quickly test what happens with that. I think that is working perfectly. Okay, only that is screen is extended. Okay, let's try to close, for example, that laptop. What happens? Screens disappear. No, there is no picture, there is only black screen. Let's see what happens. There's nothing yet. Let's try to type on the keys. It's over here. Let's try to move. Oh yes, here we go. We've got some screen. There's only one. We need to click again with my mouse. Yes, we've got two screens. Okay, so everything is working perfectly. Everything is working perfectly. Okay, now let's try to open that laptop again. Sorry, it's here. Oh yes, we can see all screens again. What happens if I disconnect power supply adapter? I know if you buy original Dell docking station, you have power delivery only from docking station, so you can have only one port busy in that case. Let's try to see what happened when I disconnected that charging. Look, there's no battery status 99% remaining. That means for me is laptop is not charged. So I need to connect that again to that additional port. Come on. And let's see, is that still working or not? Oh yes, I can see plug. Battery state is fully charged very quickly, but it is. So that means for me it is working. Let's see again. For example, let's try on this screen, let's try to right click. Click on display settings. Oh sorry, another window appears on another screen. And what we've got in here, system, displays, we've got all three screens shown, which is one on the left, which is laptop, second one in the middle, and the third one on the right side. So this is my office setup. I think I was trying to find, I spent some time to buy some docking station. I'm not sure if that is the best one. Probably you can find something better. However, I just wanted to show you something alternative which is far cheaper than original Dell. If you have any suggestions, questions, comments, please don't hesitate to put comments or anything below these movies. And yeah, just comment. Thank you, Thomas. Bye.